Jesus entered Jericho and made his way through the town. There was a man there named Zacchaeus. He was the chief tax collector in the region, and he had become very rich. He tried to get a look at Jesus, but he was too short to see over the crowd. So he ran ahead and climbed a sycamore fig tree beside the road, for Jesus was going to pass by that way. When Jesus came by, he looked up at Zacchaeus and called him by name. "Zacchaeus," he said, "quick, come down. I must be a guest in your home today." Zacchaeus quickly climbed down and took Jesus to his house in great excitement and joy. But the people were displeased. "He has gone to be the guest of a notorious sinner," they grumbled. Meanwhile, Zacchaeus stood before the Lord and said, "I will give half my wealth to the poor, Lord, and if I have cheated people on their taxes, I will give them back 4 times as much." Jesus responded, "Salvation has come to this home today, for this man has shown himself to be a true son of Abraham. For the Son of Man came to seek and save those who are lost." Jesus is not on what people are on. Zacchaeus is short. That's why he climbed up in the tree. But he is also a tax collector, chief tax collector at that. And they were despised amongst the Israelites. They were working for the man, taking money from their people, but then they took extra money off the top. So they were seen as crooks. They were seen as sinners. They were the worst of the worst. And here it is that Jesus is requesting and demanding that he come to the home and spend time with Zacchaeus. And what was the result? Zacchaeus gives half his money to the poor, and anybody he defrauds, he's going to give back 4 times, way more than the requirement of the law, what he took. Why did he do that? Not because Jesus told him to, not because Jesus called him a sinner. He didn't say, "You're a terrible man, you're going to hell." He didn't do none of that. All he did was want to spend time with Zacchaeus. And that was enough to make Zacchaeus do what was right and want to be right. All because Jesus saw him for more than just a despised tax collector. So, would he want to spend time with you? Absolutely. Because Jesus loves you no matter what you are and what you do. It's all about seeking and saving those who are lost. And he does it by showing love. Have a great day.